Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is page load wait. Page load wait controls how Selenium waits for a page to finish loading after navigation actions like navigate to URL, page refresh, clicking links that load new pages. If the page is not fully loaded, element may not exist yet, visibility checks may fail, text become flaky. Page load waits ensure Selenium waits until the browser reports that the page load is complete. So in the sample script, if you see, I am navigating to a new page using the go to URL method. If Selenium moves too fast, elements may not be available. Now I am setting a page load wait. Here if you see, I am giving a page load wait. Selenium waits until the page is fully loaded. After that, the element interaction becomes stable. Okay, I will run the sample script and see how this works. Even if application is loaded slowly, it will wait for the full page to load. So if you see page loaded and element interaction successful. So this is how you set page load timeouts. Okay. So this is how page load wait helps stabilize navigation in Selenium. So let me recap. Page load wait handles navigation, not elements. It's related to the page, not related to the elements. Element waits and page load waits solve different problems. Most navigation flakiness comes from ignoring page load waits. Page load wait, if it is handled correctly, then your navigation stability is good in your automation project. Now I will close the application.